folks, how's it going? Today we'll have a look over Linux desktop environments. If you ever wondered what a desktop environment is or which one is most suited to your needs, you made it to the right spot. We'll cover the basics, show you how to install and uninstall them on Ubuntu 24.10 and compare the pros and drawbacks of 4 widespread environments: GNOME, Met, LXQT and KDE Plasma. So let's get started. First things first, what exactly is a desktop environment? Think of it as the face of your operating system. It's what you see and interact with every day. The panels, menus, icons, and even the way your windows behave. Linux is unique because it lets you choose your desktop environment, unlike other OSes that force one look on you. Now, let's review some of the most popular desktop environments, their features, perks, and downsides. Let's start with GNOME. The default desktop environment for Ubuntu. GNOME is known for modern, minimalist design and focus on simplicity. It's perfect for users who want a clean, distraction-free workspace. Pros are modern, minimalistic, well integrated with Wayland, strong community support. And the cons are heavy on system resource, limited customization out of the box. Next up is Met, a fork of the classic GNOME 2 desktop. It's lightweight, traditional, and perfect for those who miss the old school Linux feel. The pros are traditional desktop feel, low resource usage, great for older hardware. The cons are lacks modern features, not as visually appealing as GNOME or KDE. Next we have LXQT, super lightweight for performance users. Pros are extremely fast and responsive, best for low-end machines, and the cons are less polished compared to GNOME or KDE, lacks some modern features. Finally, we have KDE Plasma, the powerhouse of desktop environments. It's feature-rich, visually stunning, and highly customizable. If you love tweaking your system to perfection, KDE Plasma is for you. The pros are modern and appealing interface, endless customization choices, lightweight for its feature set, can be overwhelming for beginners. Some settings may feel redundant. Now that you know the basics, let's talk about how to install and remove these desktop environments on Ubuntu 24.10. It's super easy. Just open your terminal and follow along. First, let's check the current desktop environment. Type following command. As you can see, GNOME is the default desktop environment for Ubuntu. Now let's install KDE desktop environment. To do so, type following command. After installation, log out, select your new desktop environment from the session menu and log back in. Enter your password. This is the KDE desktop environment. It looks attractive. You can see that there are various customization options available. In the color and themes, you may pick several themes from dark to bright, and you can alter the icon as well. Now, let's install LXQT. Use the following command. Installation is complete, and now log out and log in again. Select the LXQT environment, hit the password. This is your LXQT environment, lightweight and super fast. Okay, let's try Met desktop environment. Log out from this desktop environment and log back into default desktop environment. Type following command. let's log out and log in again by selecting this time Mac desktop environment. And here is the simple and traditional desktop. Okay, we've done installing and checking desktop environments. Now let's uninstall all of them, log out from current desktop environment and log into the default GNOME desktop environment. We will remove all the desktop environment one by one. Use following command to remove DE. We'll use this command to remove unused packages. Once this step is complete, so just copy this command or you can type in later on. Now paste the command which we copied earlier or type in. Use the same command, just need to change the desktop environment name. We remove all three desktop environments. Let's log out and log in again. Here at login screen, you can see all the desktop environment are still we can see. To remove them, we should remove the entry from the session file. To do so, let's log in and open the terminal. Change the current directory to X sessions. Type ls command to list available environment. To remove this entry, use rm remove directory command. Now let's check the list of available environment. As you can see, all other environments have been deleted. Okay, let's log out and log in again so we can check whether there are other environments are showing or not. Considering that you discovered how to install and uninstall different desktop environments, let's talk about picking the best one. If you want something contemporary and sleek, use GNOME. If you like a more classic feel, Mac is your best option. For older hardware, LXQT is a must-have. And if you enjoy customization, KDE Plasma will not disappoint. That concludes today's video. If you consider this informative, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to receive more Linux stuff. Let me know in the comment which desktop environment you prefer and why. Thank you for viewing and see you in the next one. Peace out.